Hello everyone, welcome back to session 4 of FIMM integration classes. So in this session we will see how to maintain the attributes for the material types and the maintenance of company code in the material management like accounting periods open from material management side. Okay, we will start with the attributes of material type. So for that I will be accessing the transaction code OMS2. So here we will be creating, if you want, we can create a new material types here. So let's suppose I'm copying this HSRW raw material to new one like KSA1. So here I can rename it as KSA raw materials, and then make sure with the quantity structure is it's updated here, and then okay, and then select this one KSA1 raw material and quantity value updating, and here your against your plant this two quantity update and value updating check mark should be there. Otherwise when you are creating the material master, at that time the system will not allow you to create the material master, saying that it will throw an error saying that quantity update and value update fields are not checked. So just click on position and enter your valuation area is 2003, and here I'm selecting the valuation update and valuation quantity update and valuation update, and then click on save. Okay, and then come back or step back. Now we have maintained the attributes for the material type. Now we will see how to maintain the accounting periods for the material management. To do that, we'll be accessing the transaction code OMSY. So here, just click on here material management view on company codes. So here we can open the periods for the company code and material management things. So just click on position and enter your company code. So this is my company code. Here I'm entering 2025, and this is the current period. My current period is March, and then hit enter. Then the system will also open the previous period as well. In material management, the two accounting periods will be open. One is current period and the other one is a previous period. Okay, and then click on save, continue. Okay, that's all in the session. Thank you so much.